Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong has offered his deepest condolences to China on the passing of former Premier Li Peng. In his condolence letter addressed to Chinese Premier Li Keqiang, Prime Minister Li highlights the former Premier's many contributions.
Mr. Li oversaw the establishment of diplomatic ties between Singapore and China and promoted friendship and cooperation between both countries. Prime Minister Li says Mr. Li also played an important role in strengthening relations and cooperation between ASEAN and China.
And under his leadership, China established diplomatic relations with many ASEAN member states as well as the ASEAN-China Dialogue Partnership. This laid the foundation for the close cooperation between ASEAN and China today.